Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Joint venture account, separate books. X and Y both decided to undertake joint venture and share profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. X and Y deposited rupees 25,000 and rupees 28,000 respectively in the bank account to be utilized only for purchase of goods. Expenses will be paid by partners personally. X purchased 8 pieces of DVD player at rupees 2,000 per player and spent rupees 300 as expenses. Y sold 6 pieces of DVD player at rupees 3,000 per player and paid rupees 150 as sales expenses. Y purchased 5 pieces of home theatre system at rupees 3,000 and spent rupees 300 for bringing it to go down. X sold 4 pieces of home theatre system for 16,000 and spent rupees 12,200 as sales expenses. The unsold DVD player and home theatre were taken by X and Y respectively at cost. Prepare joint venture account, joint bank account and venturers account. Joint venture account. In the debit side goes the purchases made by the joint co-venturers. So 8 pieces DVD player purchased at 2,000 per player, 16,000, and 5 pieces of home theatre at 3,000 purchased, so 15,000. These are paid by joint bank account. To debit side also goes the expenses, purchase and sales expenses incurred by co-venturers personally from their own fund. So that is debited to joint ventures account. So by Y 300 rupees, purchase expenses, sales expenses by Y 150 and sales expenses by X. In the credit side is the sales made from the joint which is received in joint bank account. 6 pieces of DVD player at 3,000, 18,000 and 4 pieces of home theatre at 4,000, so 16,000. And also the co-ventures account, these items taken 2 pieces of DVD at 2,000 and plus the apportioned cost on that 75 rupees, 2/8 of 300, so that comes to 4,075, and by Y 1 piece of home theatre the cost is 3,000 plus proportioned purchase expenses is 60 rupees, 1/5 of 300, so this comes to rupees 3,600. So that leaves a profit of, in the co-venturers account, total profit 9185, the difference between credits and debits. That is apportioned to X by 5:3 ratio, so X gets 9185 into 58 is equal to 5741 and Y gets 9185 into 38 is equal to 3444. Now let us see the joint bank account. So the capital brought by the co-ventures X 25,000 and Y 28,000, that is deposited to joint bank account, so it is debited, and the sales proceeds are also deposited into joint bank account, that is 6 pieces DVD player at the rate 3,000, 18,000 and 4 pieces of home theatre at 4,000 is 16,000. In the credit side, payments made from the joint account for purchases, 8 pieces of DVD player at 2,000, 16,000 and 5 pieces of home theatre 3,000, 15,000, and the amount withdrawn by the co-venturers to close the account 56,000, that is apportioned to them. X is 27,166 and Y 28,834 as per the co-venturers account. Co-venturers account in the credit side is capital introduced by them, X 25,000, Y 28,000, and then the purchase and sales expenses, purchase expenses X 300, Y 300, sales expenses Y X 200, Y 150, and in the credit side, the unsold stock taken by the respective co-venturers X and Y 4075 and 3060 as per the joint venture account, and in joint bank account the balancing figure that is withdrawn by them as per the ledger balances of the respective joint venture account, that is 5741. And in the credit side also, the joint venture account, the profit 58 in the ratio of 5:3, that is shown in the joint venture account. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.